Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I got Fiat 500 2017 model. Basically, this car been to the another garage and they told it could be timing belt. Never know. Right. Anyway, I visually inspect engine bay. I couldn't find anything. Then I'm going to start the car and same time I plug in my computer. If you doesn't know where's the OBD2 connector, you have to remove this cover. Then after that, this is the OBD2 connector. Right, I'm going to start the car. I can't see any light on at the moment. Anyway, yeah, customer told it was there. I don't know what happened now. Might be we have to take to the road. Could be. Yeah, we can see there is a 2 faulty code under engine management. Right, according to this faulty code P0340-62, camshaft sensor signal compare failure, and this one P0009-62 engine position performance. Could be because of this sensor. This one illuminate. If it not look like to me, it's coming to the timing side. However, this failure coming to the timing, but sometime I have experience once he done this job, camshaft sensor, it could be fine. Yeah, I'm going to leave it everything as it is. And same time I'm going to ignition on, engine off and ignition on, and try to delete this faulty code and have a look. Yeah, no faulty code. Again check the faulty code, still no. I'm going to switch off, start, little bit rev up. Again switch off, start, off, and start again, off, ignition on, and read the faulty codes again. Yeah, still no any faulty codes. Yeah, look like something intermittent happen. However, I'm not too much worried because this camshaft position sensor located right underneath here. You can see this nut, this one right behind this firing harness. Is not hard to change. However, as a first step, I'm going to change and take to the road test, because she told me once I took it to the road test, it might be coming within 5 to 10 minutes light, or sometimes she said it straight away light came. However, first step I'm going to do the sensor, and this one not much cost, it's 20 pound around. Then I'm not too much fussy to check the sensor and how is sensor working. Or what I'm going to do, straight I'm going to change the sensor and took it to the road test. We already changed the sensor. This is the old one. I'm going to leave it here. Right, it's not hard. Basically you need to remove this nut and inside this one and this one. Once you remove, then after that, once you remove all three, you can move this wire harness bit towards to the battery side. Then after that you can remove that one. It's a 10 mil. Yeah, it's a 10 mil nut. Then all done. Now I'm going to start and off couple of times car. engine light straight came on, right. Okay, read camshaft sensor circuit short to battery open, right. Yeah, look like a something not right my job. Camshaft position sensor circuit short to battery open, right. I have to check the connector and everything, make sure okay, right. You can see this wire basically broken. I had to do some amendment for this one. Already we removed the battery tray and battery because we need a much space there, right. I'm do some amendment and I'll come back to you. Right, okay, this one out now. Yeah, if you have a like this tool, it's very easy. What you have to do, push in here and this side, just push both side. Once you push both side, you can see that this clips, see, it's going to be defrest. Then after that you can remove. Yeah, we already fixed the wire, fixed the battery. Now I'm going to inside the car and play with the system, right. Yeah, I'm going to start the car first. Yeah, engine light straight disappeared. You can see radio working, that's a good sign, but I had to reset date and time is changed. Yeah, still that faulty code there, we need to clear this faulty code, otherwise it will attack some point, it will come out. Yeah, now no faulty codes, right, all good at the moment. I'm going to reset the time and the what do you call date. Then after that I'm going to do the road test. Now 785, at least I'm going to drive 3 or 4 miles. Yeah, vehicles spin around like a 3 miles around, maybe 10-12 minutes. No any funny warning light at the dashboard. However, I'm going to check with the computer, anything there. Yeah, still no any faulty codes. Look like to me job okay. However, I'm going to hand over to car like this to the customer. If I get anything, let you know. If you have a like this problem, you know what to do now. Yeah, please follow our channel and get more ideas. Also, if you need to join with our WhatsApp group, link below, you can click that link and you can join to our WhatsApp group. Thank you. See you in the next video.